Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone. And today in this video I'm going to give you a list of 320 words that are different in American and British English. Well, I have a video on spelling differences, but this one is about the words that are completely different, like let's say sidewalk and pavement, which one is American and the other one is British. This list is a kind of, let's say, complete list. Well, there are some other words, but they're not really used that much. Especially, they're, let's say, kind of specific words to specific fields. So in some, fields of study or very detailed study of stuff, you might find other words, but in everyday speech, even these 320 are a bit more than enough. So I think if you know these two, the list, then you know the difference between these two. And why am I doing this? Well, lots of students, ones who are learning these languages, let's say, or let's say dialects, want to know the differences and want to know if there's a big difference, and also they want to know which one is better. Well, none. None of them are better, just they are both good, but none is better. So yeah, they are good, but you can't say this is better than the other one. Someone might say such a thing, but well, these are all opinions. Anyhow, the other benefit that knowing the differences between the two dialects, the American and British English, is that when you want to take the IELTS exam, you want to take the IELTS exam. When you're taking the IELTS exam, the exam is the British English. So if you are a native British American English, or if you've learned American English, then you'll find the IELTS a bit difficult because of some of the words that are used, and some of the words that you use might be, considered laudable ones or something like that. So you'd better get yourself familiarized with these, let's say, British ones. And and let me see if I've left anything other than these. Yeah, so these are the differences, and this is why I'm making this video. And the other thing is, some of the students, especially the ones that are outside the native speaker countries, I mean English speaking countries, have kind of mixed everything up. They know a part of a car in American English and the other part in British English, so they are using a mixture of both. It is okay because lots of words are known in both areas, but if you're writing an email, or let's say if it's a bit formal, then you want to just stick to one of these. You want to show that you're using more American English or British English, so you do not want to switch between the two in each line. And the suggestion about how to use this video, I would not recommend just going through the video in one go. It's loads of words and it gets boring after a minute or two. So what I suggest is, of course, it's up to you how to use it, but my suggestion is just go through a minute or two, or let's say one slide or two, and that's enough for the day. And you can do other stuff that you're doing and come back to the video another time and continue from where you left and complete it in a period of time. Do not just go through it once in one day, because I think that's not gonna help. But then again, this is up to you. You are going to decide. Let's go and see what the words are. Alright, this was the list. I hope you have enjoyed. I have learned something out of it. There were some words that you might feel like, why do we have this, and what's the difference between this and the other one? Well, the difference is that one is British, the other one is American. Both are the same words. So I hope this has helped you solve some of the puzzles, or let's say some has answered some of your questions, and also made searching easier for you. I hope you do not need to search anymore because you have got all of them over here. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.